Hi, I'm Matt from Freedom Retractable Screens. Today we're going to be installing one of our Infinity Ziplines on this double stacking door. This installation we're going to need to do a little bit of extra work to get this one ready. Because the balcony has pod pavers meeting the door frame, pod pavers are floating pavers that we will cut to fit the screen in perfectly to give you a zero clearance threshold. Most competitors will outsource this work, but we are all qualified tradesmen who can do this custom fitting, which is one less thing that you need to worry about. On this particular door, we have a larger stiffener on the second moving panel. On a standard install, the handle would clash on this. So at Freedom Retractable Screens, we've come up with a solution to add an extra 12mm box tube at the bottom, so the inside handle clears and allows you to still use it. And this is a prime example of a small detail that gives us a perfect finish and a happy customer. And here is the finished product, a perfectly fit retractable screen flush with the balcony tiles. If you're interested in Freedom Retractable Screens for your property, contact us today for a free measure and quote.